Hello, yeah, you're welcome to the channel once again. This is Nana Godey TV. Today too, I want to show you how we can use just one Ghana cedi to get 1 gigabyte of data bundle on Voda network. So let's get started. So this is the shortcode *530# *530#. So you dial *530#. So let's move on. Yeah, so this is a Vodafone special offer. This is the Vodafone special offer, and this special offer is called M4M offers. M4M offers. So here is it. So 1.1 Ghana cedi, you get 1 gigabyte of data. So it's just 1 Ghana cedi, 10 pesos. Then you get 1 gigabyte of data, and also so they have so many kinds of offers here, and then you can also buy 2 series for 1.1 gigabytes. That's for 3 days and so on. So let's choose the first one, which is that's the option 1. So which is option 1. Then you choose 1. Very simple. So here is it. You have purchased 1 gigabyte of data at just 1.1 Ghana cedis. This is very simple, so you can also try it. Thank you.